Our planet is always on the move. It spins like a top, completing a full rotation every 24 hours. This rotation is what gives us day and night. The Earth spins at an incredible speed, roughly 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than the speed of sound. This constant spin is essential for life as we know it. Earth's rotation isn't just about timekeeping, it also plays a crucial role in our planet's climate and weather patterns. The spin creates the Coriolis effect, which influences the movement of air masses and ocean currents. This effect is why hurricanes spin counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Without this constant spin, our planet would be a vastly different place. The Earth's rotation is a delicate balance that has been maintained for billions of years. But what would happen if this balance were to be suddenly disrupted? Imagine for a moment that the Earth suddenly stopped spinning for 5 seconds. It might seem like a short amount of time, but the consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic. At the moment the Earth stops spinning, everything not firmly attached to the ground would continue moving eastward at its current speed. This includes the oceans, the atmosphere, and even buildings and vehicles. The inertia would be immense. Imagine a global tsunami as the oceans surge eastward, inundating coastlines with walls of water. Buildings would crumble, unable to withstand the sudden lateral force. Bridges would twist and collapse, their supports ripped apart. Vehicles would be flung sideways, their passengers tossed about like rag dolls. The destruction would be instant and widespread. Even inside buildings, the effects would be felt. People would be thrown against walls or furniture, suffering serious injuries. The air inside buildings would compress, creating pressure differentials that could shatter windows and collapse weaker structures. 5 seconds might not seem like much, but in this scenario, it would be an eternity of chaos. The Earth's atmosphere would not be spared from the chaos. The sudden stop would create winds of unimaginable force, traveling at speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. These winds would be far stronger than any hurricane ever recorded. They would scour the planet's surface, tearing up trees, stripping away topsoil, and leveling everything in their path. These winds would also cause extreme temperature fluctuations. The friction generated by the air rubbing against the stationary surface would generate intense heat, potentially igniting wildfires on a massive scale. Conversely, areas shielded from the wind could experience a sudden and dramatic drop in temperature. The atmospheric chaos would also disrupt global communication systems. Satellites would be knocked out of orbit, radio waves would be disrupted, and the internet would grind to a halt. The world would be plunged into darkness and silence, cut off from communication and coordination. The consequences of this communication blackout would be dire, hindering rescue and relief efforts in the aftermath of the initial catastrophe. After the agonizing 5 seconds, if the Earth were to miraculously resume spinning at its normal speed, the devastation would already be unimaginable. The planet would be scarred with the wounds of unimaginable forces, and the death toll would be staggering. But the consequences wouldn't end there. The planet would continue to reel from the after effects. The atmosphere would take time to stabilize, with extreme weather events becoming the norm. The oceans, displaced from their basins, would continue to surge, causing further flooding and erosion. The delicate balance of the Earth's ecosystems would be thrown into disarray, potentially leading to mass extinctions. If, however, the Earth were to remain static, the consequences would be even more dire. Without the diurnal cycle of day and night, the planet's climate would be irrevocably altered. One side of the Earth would be subjected to perpetual sunlight, leading to scorching temperatures and desertification. The other side, shrouded in eternal darkness, would freeze over with temperatures plummeting to uninhabitable levels. Life as we know it would simply cease to exist. The hypothetical scenario of the Earth stopping its rotation, even for a mere 5 seconds, underscores the profound importance of this seemingly mundane aspect of our planet. It is a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth, a balance we often take for granted.